So in this video, we're going to look at best practices for doing a pressure calibration. As you guys know, the most difficult part about doing a calibration in the field is getting all the hoses connected up, using the thread seal tape to seal up all the connections, and every time you do the calibration, you have to reseal. And that's probably time consuming, of course, and can affect leak issues, all kinds of stuff. So I want to show you today some of the new technology that makes the job a lot easier. For example, hoses, we have here, you'll see this hose has nylon bushing inside. So you can, once you connect up the connector with the thread seal tape to the calibrator, then you can just disconnect the hose. You don't have to use a wrench to put it on. No tools are required once you get the basic stuff set up. On this connector, you use the thread seal tape. You put the connector on to this IEC connector. This IEC connector also has a nylon bushing, so this will connect to any pressure transmitter out there. No tools required again. You just screw it in and start calibrating. Going from one transmitter to the next, you just take this with you. So again, there's no wrenches required. It's a lot easier to use. Lastly, I want to show you another fitting. This guy here has got a swivel tip, so we actually connect it onto the pump, and you can take a gauge off. It's got a nylon fitting inside again. You can take the gauge off. You can take a pressure module, plug that guy in. Again, no tools required. You got, once you got this guy fitted in here, it's on there for good, and you're ready to make your calibration. So think about, when you get your calibrator, what accessories are going to make the job easier, because it's not all the calibrator. There's always other accessories and tools to make your job easier, and hose fittings and kits make a big difference.